Asuntos Kettiö, Vuorikatu, 31 to 33 in Kuopio, staircase D.
Built in 1968, age 16537. It has a little bit strange sound.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit slower than the other one.
Yeah.
At least it stops and accelerates much smoothly.
Yeah. 3 plus 240 kilograms.
Kone triangle.
Yeah.
Quite common in Finland.
Yeah.
Even though it's 2019 here.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
This elevator will be 50 years old next year.
Yeah.
Already. Oh, it already passed it.
Yeah. This building has 4 staircases and it's possible to change staircases inside without key. It's really nice.
But are we only gonna film these 2 ones?
No, all 4 ones.
Okay.
Yes. Back leveling.
Yeah, really good. That's it.
That's it.